Happy freaking Monday, everybody. So right now I am in Valdosta, Georgia, hanging out with my cousin. He's been stationed here at Moody Air Force Base for the last 10 years. And it was a perfect opportunity for me to hang out with some family on the way down to Florida. Well, on the way down, we're outside of Dalton, Georgia, and I just noticed this. This is the front shackle hanger. Both sides are ripping right off. They're ripping off. Back in New Hampshire, I replaced the shackles, but the shackle hangers are still stock and they are failing. So pretty much as soon as possible, I need to replace these shackle hangers with something heavier duty. Of course, it seems like everything that's stock is breaking. Jade's gonna be a brand new Jeep shortly here. All is well though. A few extra days hanging out with a cousin, hanging out with family. It's all good. I ordered a shackle hanger kit from Moore. It's a bolt-on one that requires you to drill new holes in the frame and attach it. It's supposed to be pretty solid. We'll see how it goes, so I'm gonna tackle that soon. But in the meantime, I've been planning out where to have the Jade Jamboree Florida number 12. I'm gonna put the coordinates in a comment below so it's much easier if you guys just click it, Google Maps, it'll take you right there. Should be a good spot for us, we'll find out. 3 p.m. meetup time, 4:30 group photo, and it is gonna be an overnight camping trip, so bring your overland vehicle, or if you wanna sleep in a van, sleep in a car, sleep in a whatever, tent, roof, ground. You have multiple options. Trees, we can build a tree fort, you can sleep in a tree. There's plenty of trail systems around in the area too, so if any of you guys wanna go wheeling, set up camp, then leave. Well, I'm sure a lot of people will stay at camp, so all your stuff will be safe. And you can always leave and go hit up the trails all in the area. It's a pretty big area. A lot of you guys recommended me have it here, and so I thank you, you Floridians who reached out to me. It's probably incorrect, fluoride. It is a food drive, so bring some food. Cool opportunity for all of us, overlanders, travelers, whoever you are, and titles don't really matter. We have an opportunity to help raise some food for the local community. Just an easy thing that we can do. We're not saints, I'm not a saint, but it's just an easy thing we can do, and it's easy, so let's just do it. For all of you guys who filled out the 50-state questionnaire, I really appreciate it. It's been making coordinating these jamborees super easy. If any of you are interested in helping out with the food drive items, email me. That would help out tremendously as well. We can figure out where to bring the food drive items after the jamboree. And yes, I know it's unbelievable that it's 2 weeks out and the Jade Jamboree is already scheduled. I am gonna try to schedule them at least 2 weeks in advance going forward. This gives you guys an opportunity to get a Jade Jamboree specific t-shirt for your state in advance and wear them to the Jade Jamboree. So Ben is working on those shirts, and all prior states that I've visited, the Jade Jamboree shirts are available for those states as well. Looking forward to meeting so many of you guys. I should have the spring hanger situated before then. I'll talk to you soon.